Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of PA Phonics and Fun. I'm your host, Miss Casey, and this is your teacher, Miss Keisha. Before we get started, you will need some objects that you can move around, like buttons or dried beans. Have fun!
Hello, boys and girls. Today we will begin with a warm-up. Our warm-up is with short vowels. Repeat after me, please. A. Good job. E. Awesome. I. O. And U. Awesome job. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of lip. What vowel sound do you hear in lip? Very good. You hear I, which is represented with I. What about rug? Rug. Good job. Rug has the sound as in you. Cat. That's spelled with the letter A. Pet. The letter E. And the last one, dog. Dog. Good job. Letter O. Now we will work with our phonemic awareness and practice listening. Pull out your manipulatives so that you can count as we move the objects. Line yours up just like mine. Put on your listening ears. Ready? Our first word is gram. Repeat the word gram. Good job. Now we will count the sounds and move one object for each sound you hear. Ready? G, R, A, Now let's count our sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Gram has 4 sounds. Let's try another word. Fred. Repeat Fred. All right, let's move one object for each sound. F, R, E, D. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do another one. This word is Fran. Fran. Repeat Fran. All right, let's count. F, R, A. Did you move 4 objects? Good job. Our next word is Brad. Brad. Ready? Here we go. B, R, A, D. Again, we have 4 sounds. Now this one, I'm going to listen to you say the sounds and I'm going to move my manipulatives. Ready? Say it loud. Our word is frog. Say it. Frog. All right, let's go. Very good. I heard you say f, r, a, g for frog. All right, we have one more, boys and girls. The word is grass. Say it. All right, here we go. G, r, a, s. Again, we have 4 sounds. Now we will practice saying the sounds of the blends. I want you to pay attention to the formation of your mouth when you say these sounds. Repeat after me. Brr, trr, dr. You're doing awesome. 3 more. Prr, grr, and crr. Very good, boys and girls. Now we will look at the letters that make those sounds we just did. We will focus on R blends. And remember, blends are 2 letters and 2 sounds. Here we go. Let's practice. Our first one is P, R. When we put it together, it's purr. Can you say purr? Good job. Let's do this one together. F, R, fur. Good. This one is B, R, brr. Our next one, T, R, tur. Awesome. K, R, krr. G, R, grr. Good job. And our last one, D, R, dr. Good job practicing your blends. And now we will practice blending some words. Our first word is crab. In crab, we see the blend CR. And when I see the blend CR, I know that it makes the sound K, R, krr, and then I add A, B, and I get the word crab. Let's do this one together. F, R, fur, A, G, frog. K, R, krr, I, S, Chris. All right, let's do this one. F, R, fur, A, N, Fran. Good job. F, R, F, E, D, Fred. Good job. Now you try this one. Very good. That blend makes brr. Very good, Brad. Gr, A, Graham. Good job. Try this one. I heard you say grass. Excellent. Drops. And we have one more. Frogs. Good job blending those words together. Now, let's look at our letter sound correspondence. Each of these words have a blend. We are going to identify the blend. Let's do the first one together. In our first word, our blend is very good. Our blend is GR. Let's look at our next word. What's the blend in this word? FR. Awesome. Our next word? FR again. You guys are doing an excellent job. Let's look at this word. DR. And our blend here, BR. Let's look at this word. Good job. FR. The next word. I heard you say FR. And your final word, the blend GR. And now we will begin our word work. So pull out your objects again. We are going to use our markers with these Elkonin boxes. We are going to mark each sound that we hear in the word. And then we are going to write the letter that that sound makes. After we've done that, we're going to change the blend and make a whole new word. Are you ready? I'll do the first one. My first word is grab. Grab. For each sound, I will put a marker. G. R. A. B. Now, I will take my marker and I will write a letter for each sound. My first sound was G, so the letter I write will be G. My next sound was R, so I will write the letter R. My next sound, A. I will write the letter A. And my final sound is B, so I will write the letter B. Now I want to change the blend from grr to krr. So what letter will I change? I will change the initial sound G to the sound K. And now my new word is crab. And I spell it K, C, R, R, A, and B, B. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn. Your word is Fred. Can you say Fred? Good job. So, the sounds in Fred are what? Remember to move your manipulative. You have, that's right, you have F, and then you have R. You also have E. And what's your final sound? D. Very good. Now let's write letters for your words. Your first sound was F. What letter is that? Very good. That's the letter F. And Miss Lakeisha will write an uppercase F because Fred is someone's name. Your next sound was R. What letter was that? R. Very good. And your next letter was E. E. The last sound was D. D. Very good. Now we will change your blend as well. We will change your blend from fr to brr. What letter do we change? We change the f to b, so we get the letter. Very good. Now we have the letter B. And R, R, E, E, D, D. All right, we have time for one more word. Our next word is gram. All right, pull out your manipulatives. We are ready to mark gram. Ready? G. R. A. And M. Good job. Now let's write letters for these words. these sounds. Ready? G. Good job. The letter G. What's our next sound? R, and it's spelled with the letter R. A, the letter A. And our final sound is M. What letter? M. Now, we are going to change our blend from grr to krr. So, we will change the initial sound from G to what? Very good. K. So now, our word is spelled K, which is letter C, R, R, A, M, and M. Good job. Very good. Your final word is crayon. All right, now we are ready for our dictation. You will say what I say, you will count your words, you will sound out the words, and then you get the opportunity to write the words. So go ahead and grab your pencil and your paper and get ready. Your first phrase is trim crops. Repeat it. All right, now count the words. 2 words. Now write your words as you sound them out. All right, are we ready for number 2? Your second phrase is green grass. Say it. Count your words. Sound those words out as you write them. All right, and your final phrase, prom dress. Repeat it. Count. Sound out and write. All right, are you ready to check your work? Let's see. Look at your paper and see if your paper looks like mine. Trim crops, green grass, prom dress. How well did you do? Good job. All right, boys and girls, our final task for today is to read. Are you ready to read? Before we read our passage, we will review our R blend words. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Grams, Fran, Fred, frogs, green, frog, Brad, Fran, Fred, Brad, Brad, crab, Fran, dropped, from, Brad, drink, drops, Fran, Fred, brown, frog, brown, frog, Chris, Chris, green, grass, brown, frog, drank, drops, green, frog, frogs, and grams. Good job. Now we will read this together. Are you ready? Here we go. The title of our passage is Frogs. At Graham's pond, Fran and Fred saw two frogs. The green frog was Brad. Fran and Fred saw Brad hop to a pad. Brad ate crab. Fran dropped milk from her lunch. Brad drank the milk drops. Fran and Fred saw a brown frog in the pond. The brown frog was Chris. Chris ate green grass. The brown frog drank milk drops with green frog. The frogs had a good lunch at Graham's pond. Good job. Now we will review the words, but this time I'm going to let you say the words as I remove the markers. Ready? When I pull the marker, you say the word. Frogs, Grams, Fran, Fred, frogs, green, frog, Brad, Fran, Fred. Now you say them on your own. Ready? Go. That was awesome. Keep going. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job today. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for sharing this lesson with me today, and I'll see you next time.
I hope you learned something today, boys and girls. You did an awesome job. All rights and credits for this lesson belong to the West Virginia Department of Education. We would like to thank them for publicly sharing these valuable resource materials. Bye-bye, and see you next time.